Well, winter is here. I woke up this morning to a lot of snow on the ground. Lots of snow fell in a short space of time early this morning, and it's time to get out there and get it cleared. Time to get that snow blower out and really put it through the paces. So let's go ahead and bring it out, get started, and have some fun. Okay, we're all done for the day. That was the first snow of the year, and it didn't disappoint. There was plenty of snow to move with the snow shovel, and got it all done. That snow blower works really good. Really happy to have it. Saves a lot of time, and here's to looking forward to the next time it snows. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.